Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to find your Facebook password. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have forgotten your Facebook password and already you are logged in on your Facebook account in your Android mobile, then I will show you how to find or how to see your Facebook password. In this, first of all you have to just tap on the settings, scroll down. Here you will find Google. Just you need to scroll down again. Here you will find Google. Tap on this. After that, you have to just select your account. Then tap on Google account. Here you will find password manager. Tap on this. In this you need to find your Facebook. You have to confirm your identity by adding your fingerprint or by entering your mobile pin. Here you can see you will find your user ID and password. If you want to see your password, you have to just click on this I button, or you can just directly copy from this option and your Facebook password will be copied. That's it guys. So in this way you can find your Facebook password. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.